Hey there, cruisers! Today I am sharing a cabin tour on Oasis of the Seas. We absolutely love the Oasis Class and its neighborhood concept. It really is a destination on its own. This trip we enjoyed our first back-to-back cruise, and I'm showing you our cabin nice and settled in so you can see how we utilize the space. Here we go! Welcome to cabin 8182 on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. This is a 2D ocean view balcony, which is located midship on deck 8. When you enter the room, there are a couple of hooks, shelf, and bins on the left. As you walk in, there's a narrow storage cabinet on your left, along with the outlets, the desk area, and more storage above. The top drawer has your hair dryer, and then bottom drawers for storage. The cabinet on the right is your mini fridge. This cabin is configured with the sofa bed nearest the door, and the bed closest to the balcony. If you're sailing with a friend, you can ask to have the king bed separated into two twins. We'll take a look out onto the balcony. The balcony has two deck chairs and a nice round table. Again, we're located midship. Heading back into the cabin, you'll see the sofa area. And let's go check out the closet. The closet has your safe and several shelves. There we go. And quite a bit of hang-up space. It is a little awkward that you need to open one side and then the other. Sorry for the loud bang. Back by the entrance door, you have the bathroom. Be sure to bring your hang-up toiletry bag. It's a great, efficient use of space. We have the capsule style shower, which is nice, no icky curtain. And in the bathroom, there are 3 shelves and a tiny drawer, and some additional storage space down below the sink. Right outside of the bathroom, there is a full-length mirror. On this particular ship, there is a little outlet hub right on the desk area. There is not outlets on either side of the bed. So make sure you bring a multi-port outlet, one like you see here. By the bed, there's just a switch for the overhead light. And a little 2-tiered shelf. Once again, this is cabin 8182 on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And check out findingjillian.com for more cruise tips and planning help. Happy cruising!